So this is Dr. Gerard at Liquids Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota. And one of the common questions I get is, why do you check kids? Or, my child seems normal, has a little bit of this, has a little bit of that. Is there any reason why my child, my young child, for that matter, my baby, needs any chiropractic care? I mean, shouldn't they be? This is like the healthiest time of their life, right? Well, a couple things I always try to backtrack a person on. One of those is the birth process itself. Now, the birth process can certainly be hard on mom, but it certainly also can be very difficult and very hard on the child. We have C-section, forceps deliveries, suction cup deliveries, umbilical cords wrapped around the neck, a ton of pushing, a ton of pulling, long deliveries, many things that can cause babies to come out, be fussy, gassy, in pain, crying, etc. And that's a lot of times because the baby just feels pain and doesn't know how else to communicate it. And of course, then we get older, and then as your child learns to crawl and then to walk, they fall down stairs and bikes, and stairs, and they fall off bikes, and they fall down, you name it, they fall off it. Trampolines to tree forts to sports and sports injuries. There's a million reasons. And then of course they're looking at devices all day now, so their head is farther forward. They're looking at phones all day, unfortunately, for so many young people. And so literally by 10, 12, 14, 16 years old, they could have thousands of hours of stress on their spine, their neck, back, etc. And so if you're sitting out there right now and you are wondering, should a child get checked, I always say it's a great evaluation to get, because you just never know. And young people today have more neck and back problems than I've ever seen in 25 years of being here. So we're here to help. This is Dr. Gerard at Liquids Chiropractic. We'll see you soon.